So hey all, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are gonna discuss about some new features of React 19. So I have created a small project. His name is I have mentioned it as Smart Search Dashboard. So inside this we have I have used three four components to exactly showcase what are the new some of the new features which came inside the React 19. So inside application app.js, the first component I have all this search bar. So let's go inside this search bar. Search bar, yeah. Now let me show over the UI. Currently our application look like this. Here this is the search box. Inside this we have listing of some data, some user data, and second one is the uh, counter, basically update the counter, and there is a form base. So let's discuss first for the search thing. So here we have implemented a user input, and second thing is the user list, because basically this is the list which shown here. This is the users list. So we have created a small data inside the data folder using users.json. This is the name of users. So we are just using this JSON. We are displaying all the data record here. What we want to show basically. So there is a one hook introduced in the React Native use transition. What it will do on the UI, some even complex operation are in process in the background of code. So our UI gonna stuck at that time. So here uh, React React 19 version introduce a use transition. It will give us a one two thing. One is the function. Second one is the exactly value. This is pending. Is a boolean value. It will give us a return true or false. So when we have in apply a search functionality, filter out functionality over a large huge amount of data, it will take some time to filter out exact our data, and so that so over the skip. So at that time our UI uh, didn't get stuck. What you use transition will do at this time, it will when our transition get start like this filter out, we have uses this start transition here, and wells this transition like our data gonna filtered out at this time. It will this is pending value will be true, and is loading result will be gonna true until our this all the pop operation is not gonna done. So let me show you, like if I search for Bob, Bob. So Bob. Now when I search for Bob, it will filter out all the data, like but until this operation happen, is this value gonna true for some time, and loading result will be shown on the screen at that time, and while doing that calculation for filtering out our data. Okay. So this is the use transition, how it will work. And second thing is let's go to here and counter backs demo. This is the second component we are using. So what we want here, we are just display over the screen both on count and state. Both on there's one button update both. On click of this, I have we have updated both things, like both the states. So what it will do, uh, React 19, what it will do, if in a function, if multiple states are gonna update, so it will batch these all the things together and render uh, batch together all these things together, and render only one time over the screen while updating this all the state together. Okay. So what I want to say, like if I click on this, so both state counter and count and status both are updated in the single render of component. You don't need to render multiple times, two times for one time for count and one time for status. So what because of it, our re-rendering process will be decreased with the help of batching. Okay. And the last thing is form demo. So here form handling will be smooth because of use form status. What it will do, when we have a form, we need to gives user need to give some input, and after clicking on submit button, so we need to call an action. On clicking of this action, this function will call this asynchronous function, like we need to call an API. At the moment of API call, what it will return, it will return a boolean value, true or false, with the name of pending. We can use any name here. Using this pending value, we can show loading or submitting or waiting for API is like message according to our requirement. So what I have done, like here, one form, let me put my name here. Okay. Once I click on this button, I have clicked this button. I have apply and loader here, like some wait for some time, like 2 seconds, and after the alert will be come on the screen. Between this 2 second clicking on button and this 2 second, this pending is gonna true and this message will be shown on the screen. So like currently, once I submit it, if this is get a shown submitting from submit to submitting it in the loading form, it will show. So this is how we can use these new hooks and new features for enhancing our React application. So I hope it will helpful for you. Thank you.